Hey, what's up, accelerators? DrJohn Bartemus here to talk about cancer this week. In preparing for a talk that I have coming up called Beating Cancer Naturally, I've been researching options for people who don't necessarily want to go totally natural when they get the cancer diagnosis. So if you get the cancer diagnosis and you're still going to go with the radiation or the chemotherapy or the surgery, I've got options for you in terms of the top 5 natural supplements to take to help the chemo do its job better and to help your body make it through the chemo and radiation in the healthiest position possible. So in other episodes we'll cover how to go totally all natural on beating cancer, but today I want to talk about the top 5 supplements that you can take to enhance chemo's effectiveness and radiation's effectiveness, and at the same time protect your body as you go through those treatments. So number 1, the top supplement you can take to help you prevent damage to your body and to help deliver the chemo to the cancer is curcumin. And curcumin is found in turmeric, curry, if you're familiar with Indian food. And the reason curcumin is so effective is after having over 92 studies on curcumin and its effect on cancer patients, there was 57 studies proving the chemosensitizing ability of curcumin, meaning it's chemosensitizing, meaning it takes the chemotherapy drug and delivers it to the cancer cell more effectively than if you weren't taking curcumin while you were on the chemo, thereby protecting the non-cancerous cells of your body and keeping your body healthier overall. The other studies of the 92 were looking at its ability to protect your body against the chemotherapy. So the double whammy protects you against the chemo and delivers the chemo. Number 2, I'm sure you've all heard of it, is resveratrol. Resveratrol is found in red grapes and in wine, and resveratrol has 27 studies proving its anti-chemo protection on the healthy cells in your body and the chemosensitizing ability of it to deliver the chemo to the cancer. So resveratrol would be your next option. Number 3 is vitamin E. Vitamin E is effective in chemotherapy and radiation treatment because it is a free radical scavenger. So chemotherapy and radiation, but particularly radiation, both cause free radical damage in your body. Vitamin E is a free radical scavenger, meaning it's going to clean out those free radicals. The top food sources of vitamin E that you can check out are mangoes, avocado, and kiwi fruit are 3 good options. You want to stay away, if you're going to supplement with vitamin E, you want to stay away from the form DL-alpha tocopherol. So when you look on the package, it'll say vitamin E and then in parentheses the form that it's in. So if it says DL-alpha tocopherol, steer clear of that because that is produced from a petroleum product, and petroleum is pro-cancer, not anti-cancer. So if you're taking vitamin E for an anti-cancer effect, don't take that form. Number 4 is ginger. Ginger is helpful during chemotherapy and radiation because it helps decrease the toxicity effects of those 2 things, but also helps with the nausea that you will experience in the chemo particularly, and also with the high doses of radiation. And lastly, number 5 is sulfurophanes. Sulfurophanes are found in your cruciferous vegetables, so your cauliflower, your broccoli, your cabbages, and these are molecules that when you eat them, when the probiotics in your gut are eating the fiber, they are fermenting the sulforaphane in those cruciferous vegetables, and the sulfur from that helps them produce anti-cancer agents that activate your detox pathways, particularly in the liver. So the liver is helping you detox your body from the chemotherapy and from the radiation that you're exposed to. And the sulforaphanes also decrease the damage that the chemotherapy causes in your body and also have chemotherapy sensitizing abilities, so delivering that chemo straight to the cancer. So if you are unfortunately one of the people that has a cancer diagnosis and you are going to go through the chemo, radiation, or surgery, if you decide to go that route, then there are still natural methods that you can use to augment that treatment and get you through it as healthy as possible. I promote not going through those treatments but trying it totally natural, but each patient makes their own decision, so I want to help you any way I can regardless of your decision. So thank you for listening. Please spread this widely. I'm Dr. John Bartemus of Accelerate Chiropractic. I would love to have you be a fan of my Facebook page, Accelerate Chiropractic, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.